Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really glad that we are able to get together today, virtually, of course. In September, we launched the latest generation of Mbux in our all-new S-Class. Now we are giving you the latest development in its evolution and a major highlight of the Mbux Hyperscreen. The Mbux Hyperscreen will be introduced into our completely new, fully electric EQS luxury sedan due out very soon.
The Mbux Hyperscreen is the center of attention, the center of control, and of course, the center of entertainment. And it is the biggest screen ever mounted in a series-built Mercedes.
Hello everybody, and welcome. Allow me to introduce the Hyperscreen. To me, it's a milestone in the merging of analog and digital design. This is a jewel of the interior and a true work of art. 3 separate screens beneath one gently curved glass surface. It looks and feels like a single entity. This is the futuristic design of the pure EV mode, and its different interpretation of displaying key functionalities like boosting, recuperation, or G-force. We call the G-force element the EQ puck, or flying saucer. And key information is easy to understand and nice to look at.
It was important for us to create an interface that shall not add distraction or complexity. The result is the next level of fully intuitive user experience. The Hyperscreen offers amazing functionality. You have apps, vehicle functions, navigation, climate control, and entertainment. The list goes on. We call it zero-layer principle. It brings all the apps and functions into the fluid, proactive user interface. You can activate the functions you need from one screen. The all-important navigation map is always visible in the center. Beneath it, there are controls for the phone, entertainment, or the features that suits the specific situation. The system knows what you want and need, and you know what? That's why the zero layer is based on emotional intelligence. The system learns with AI and adds more individual functions on the top as it's required, or places them in the background if they are not being used. In this zero layer of Hyperscreen, Mbux also uses AI to process datasets such as position, temperature, and time. Its intelligence also assists you with route planning and charging to help you get most out of your electric mobility experience. There are innovations for all passengers, but especially for the one in the front, because the front seat passenger has their own screen incorporated into the Hyperscreen. We call it co-driver display, and they can also see all the relevant vehicle information. And there is even more in store for passengers. There are entertainment services with market-specific features. At the front seat of the passenger can share content with anyone else in the car. In some markets, it's even possible to watch the TV. On one side of the passenger car, passenger can see and watch the videos while traveling by using the Bluetooth headphones, while on the other side, intelligent camera-based locking concept prevents the driver from looking at the passenger display to avoid distraction. And before you feel too sorry for the driver, they get a pretty attractive view too, albeit less distracting. It has an exclusive EQ design and the same easy-to-use interface as it was introduced with the S-Class and together with the full augmented reality. So just to round it off, the Hyperscreen is a natural progression of the Mbux, taking it to the next level of sophistication and ease of use. The principle of the zero layer is a completely new and super intelligent way of achieving seamless human-machine interaction. And the innovative use cases enhance the EQ experience for the driver and all the passengers. There you have it. The best of featuring the new Mbux Hyperscreen making its debut in the upcoming EQS and later coming to the other Mercedes models. I want to show you one cool new feature that will also be the part of the latest MBUX generation. As a working title, we call it Mercedes Travel Knowledge. But you know what? You can believe me that our marketing is already working on a fancier name. But let me try now. Hey Mercedes, what can you tell me about this building?
The Stratosphere Tower is one of the most famous landmarks of Las Vegas and has been for many decades.
Thank you, Mercedes. So as you can see, our system is smart and it works in most of the major cities of the world. This new MBUX feature evaluates the map material and supplies the appropriate information when the driver or passenger asks for it. The information then appears on the respective displays. So stay healthy and see you soon.